it's Brit and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing a full face using only drugstore makeup products. Now these are some of my favourite drugstore makeup products and I swear I've had some of them since I was in high school, which is, I don't know, like 4 years ago? Yeah? I don't even know how long it's been. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to show you guys this look I have done with all of my drugstore makeup products. So yeah, let's just get on into the video. So I've already moisturised and primed my face, so I'm just going to get on into the foundation. So my favourite drugstore foundation is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Now this is honestly a holy grail. Like, this is probably one of my favourite foundations in my whole collection, and it was pretty damn affordable. Like, I got this while it was on sale for half price, so I think I got it for like $20, so it is definitely one of my favorites. But I just like putting it on with the brush, so I just take one pump and it's like so full coverage as well. Like, I mean, obviously I need to blend it out, but it's just such a nice foundation. Oh, my hair is getting in the way. So next for concealer, I actually have two here. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in shade Fair, which is this one right here, which is that one. And then I've also got the Revolution Makeup Supersize Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in shade C1. So I've also got that one as well. I don't know which one to use. I think I'm going to use the NYX one today just because I do find I use the Revolution one quite a lot, obviously because it's one of my favourites, but I'm going to try this one today. So just popping that underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and into the little crevices of my nose. Try and cover up those eye bags. Which I don't actually understand why I have them, because I'm getting more sleep than I ever have before. Like, I'm probably getting the same amount of sleep I did when I was in the womb. Like, like I'm getting a lot of sleep, so I should not have under eye bags. But anyway, I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I'm just blending that in. Sometimes I find if I use a brush, sometimes it can take off some of the foundation. I find that with a lot of foundations and concealers, honestly. So most of the time, well, actually, if I can be bothered or if I've already wet my sponge, I will blend it in with the beauty blender. But if I am late for something, I tend to just grab my brush and just go to town. But this is probably one of my favorite drugstore concealers just because of how beautifully it blends out. They have such a great shade range, and I like this one because it does brighten my face quite a bit, and when you're using a damp beauty blender it just blends in seamlessly, and it is super duper affordable as well. And next, another one of my favorite drugstore beauty products is the Australis Sweet Light Chocolate Scented Bronzer, which is this one right here. It is actually such a nice shade, and it kind of smells like chocolate, but then it doesn't. Like, it doesn't. I mean, I don't know whether I would like it to smell really strong of chocolate, because I don't know if I just feel like I'm putting chocolate on my face, but yeah, like there's like a hair sticking to my face, like a lily hair, but maybe there's just always that much lily hair on my face all the time that it's just like phantom hair. Does that even make sense? Anyway, I'm just grabbing an angled blending contour brush and I'm just going to bronzing and contouring my face. So for blush, I ended up getting the L'Oreal Power cannot talk today. So for blush, I ended up getting the L'Oreal Paris Melon Dollar Baby in shade Watermelon Addict. That is definitely mean summer. And this is the shade, and I thought that it was such a beautiful, like, nice peachy watermelon shade. Obviously, it's Watermelon Addict. And one of the best things about it is that it smells like watermelon. Don't mind me, I'm just sniffing my blush. But yeah, it actually smells really good. It's not too overpowering, which is good and it smells really pretty. I really like it. And it's actually such a beautiful colour and it is quite pigmented. Yeah, I think this retails for about 20s. I don't know. I actually got it on sale. I bought a lot of things on sale, okay? I generally only buy makeup on sale if I can. I am a tight ass when it comes to money. But yeah. So it is really pretty. I'm going to take a little bit onto a brush and just going to pop this onto the apples of my cheeks. It's like not overly pink, which I really like. And I tend to just kind of blend that in with my bronzer as well. So next is highlighter. So this is the Revolution Goddess of Love highlighter. I'm pretty sure I've already shown you guys this highlighter. It was in my full face of first impressions using only Revolution makeup or Makeup Revolution. I don't actually know what it's called. But yeah, I will leave the video link for you guys up here so you guys can go check that out if you like. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It is actually such a beautiful highlighter. And super affordable as well. So that is why I love it. So I'm just taking a brush and just popping that onto the cheekbones. It actually has like a really pretty like blue like undertone to it, which I think is really pretty. And just popping some onto my brow bones. And I'll also pop it down the bridge and the tip of my nose as well. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing as well. Sun keeps on popping her head out and back in the clouds and she's just not sure what she's doing. So for eyebrows I'm going to be using two products. So I'm going to be using the Essence Eyebrow Pencil in shade 04 Blonde and also the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Plumper. So it's like a little brush and you just brush it over your eyebrows, which I really like. Now this this Essence pencil has been in my drawer since high school and I think I have so many. I have about 8 pencils of them just because they were so cheap and I was just like yes and I was like I just bought so many. And because obviously in high school I didn't work, so you know they're an affordable way to make my eyebrows look decent. But yeah, I'm just actually going to use the brush on the end of this because that's what I would have used in high school. So this is like the shade, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a very like cool toned brown, which I like. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyebrows with it's just such a good product. I just love it. Like I don't actually think I found an eyebrow pencil that I love as much as that. So next I'm going to use the L'Oreal Eyebrow Artist Plumper brush thing and I'm just going to go over my eyebrows with this and just kind of like set them in place, if that makes sense. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Designer Brands I Love It Chocolate Scented Eyeshadow Palette, which is this one right here. And by the name, you could probably tell that it's just all neutrals. It's quite nice. I think I paid like $12 for this. And it's all vegan. They don't test on animals, which is a massive, massive yes for me. Because I'm totally against anything that's, you know, tested on animals. Because it's mean. It is wrong. Anyway, that's another topic for another day. So to start off with, I think I'm going to be using this brown shade right here and I'm just going to be blending that into my crease. Blends out really nicely too. So then I'm going to go pretty simple today. So next I'm going to be taking a smaller blending brush and I think I might grab a blend of these two shades right here and just kind of blend them into the outer crease. And then next I'm just going to be taking this plain white yellow cream matte shade right here and just going to be creating like a cut crease with it just to like lighten up my eyes a little bit because they're a wee bit dark, well for me anyway, and to go grocery shopping. And once again, just taking my fat fluffy brush and just blending in that lighter shade with the outer edges, just so we get a nice transition. And I have a couple drugstore mascaras and I actually don't know how long I've had them for, but I don't know which one to use. I might use my Rimmel London Wonderful Mascara with argan oil. I remember this one always made my eyelashes so beautiful, so I'm going to give this one a go again. I just love the brush as well, like it's just so nice, big and fluffy as well, so you know it's going to fan out your lashes beautifully. Now I normally would set my face, but when using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, I don't really find I need to, just because it is quite a matte foundation and I do like a dew and I do like quite a dewy look anyway. But if I'm going to set my face with a drugstore product, I do like the Revolution Makeup Translucent Setting Powder. Really affordable and a really great product, so would recommend. And so last but not least is lipstick. Now, because I'm going out, I'm not going to be showing my lips anyway because I'm going to be wearing a face mask. But this one is really, really good. It is the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint. It is such a beautiful product, and this one is in the shade 210 or Pretty Kiss, so it's quite a natural colour and it's quite sheer as well, and it's very moisturising as well. So like I said, I am going to be wearing a mask, so I don't feel a need to go full on with my lipstick, and just a light colour with some hydration in it as well, because I swear I am the queen of cracked lips. Like my whole life I have had horrible dry cracked lips. Like, doesn't matter what I use, how expensive it is, how great it is, it doesn't work for me. So yeah, I got on my teeth. But yeah, so that is the colour it is. It is really nice. I absolutely love it. It's probably one of my favourite products that I own. But anyway guys, that is the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure you do hit like and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. And make sure you do hit that notification bell as well, so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. Now I'm trying to hit my goal of 1,000 subs, and I do have a pretty big giveaway planned for when I hit that 1,000 subs. So make sure you share this video, get all your friends in on it, and subscribe to help me get to that 1,000 sub. It is such a massive, massive goal, I know, but I know I can do it. And also, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram right here, so make sure you go give me a follow. But yeah, I will leave all the products I use in the description box below if you guys. Any questions, comments, whatever, hit me up. But anyway, I love you all so much. Please stay safe, stay inside, and wear a face mask. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!